Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Channel. Today we're discussing best laptops under 35,000 rupees in India. Laptops have become more of a necessity rather than extra help these days. The market is filled with several laptops. When you are looking for a laptop within a particular budget, then you might be restricted to certain features because of the price. Even though it might be invisible for certain people to look at the difference between a laptop purchased for 20,000 and the laptop purchased for 80,000, people with proper knowledge on the features will definitely spot the difference. For example, if you are purchasing a laptop for a cheap price, you will be offered a basic processor, and the features by the high cost laptop will have advanced features. Even though for an ordinary person it would be impossible to identify the difference between features, people with proper knowledge can understand them and make the purchase properly. So, if you are a person who is looking forward to purchasing a laptop within a proper budget of 35,000 rupees, then there are multiple options available for you. A laptop is a combination of multiple other products. So, when you are purchasing a laptop for a particular price, then you will be restricted to the products that fit within that price range. The passage below explains the various features and how they are available for every laptop. You may watch the video ahead and understand the features in detail before purchasing the laptop. Processor. The processor, which is otherwise known as the central processing unit, is the major part of the laptop, and they are responsible for the application function and execution. When you have a suitable set of processors, you will enjoy fast booting of the computer and the applications will load at a faster rate as compared to the other low processor sets. Sometimes you might run some programming language tools or graphic designing tools which will take intensive workload to complete the work assigned. The most common problem faced by the processor is the time to load certain applications. And if there is any heavy function within the application, they sometimes might get stuck in the middle. So while purchasing a processor, you have to make sure it has excellent quality and multiple cores to support your processing speed. If you have a simple single core, then it will be impossible for you to run multiple applications at the same time without damaging the speed and capacity of the processor. But with a quad or multiple core processor, you can use multiple applications in different cores to speed up the process. Also, every core will function individually as a single processor. The budget will determine the quality of the processor. For example, if the laptop you have selected is of high quality and budget, then you can use a good quality processor like the i3, i5, and i7. But if the quality of the laptop is low, then you will be provided with a normal Atom model processor. The Intel Core processors with their generations have gained immense popularity in recent years. They are mostly used by laptops within a price range of 35,000 and above. For the laptops within the price range of Rs 35,000, you will get a laptop with Core i3, i5 and AMD Ryzen. The Ryzen laptop is used for robust applications and they can withstand the functions of some advanced application. There is also another important number associated with laptop processors. They are 16, 32, 64 and 128 bits. They represent the computing power of the laptop and as the number increases, the power will also increase. So choose the best option according to your requirement. Storage. The laptop is made up of two types of storage devices, the temporary and the permanent storage device. Both these storage devices are essential for the proper functioning of the laptop. The first storage device used is the random access memory or RAM. That is used for storing multiple temporary data of the laptop. The RAM memory is used for saving the inputs and outputs produced by the application that can be saved as the temporary memory until further usage. This temporary memory will allow the application to process the information at a faster rate. When the storage capacity of the RAM is at 2 GB, then you can use them for small time application combined with some basic concepts for the fundamental laptops. But for faster functioning of the application, using a 4 to 32 GB RAM will be useful. So depending upon your requirement, choose the proper set of RAM memory for your laptop functioning. By using effective RAM, you will manage multiple applications like the programming language and graphical applications. To permanently store the data within the computer, we make use of concept called the disk drive. Initially, people used a disk drive called the hard drive, otherwise known as HDD. The HDD is more popular the comparative, and they are also available in the form of external hard disk and internal hard disk. Most of the internal hard disk is used for storing the details of the application and also for retrieving the information when the application runs. From the operation system to the normal image life, everything is stored in the form of a file within this internal hard disk. If you are looking forward to purchasing a hard disk drive, then the best option is to purchase one with a storage capacity of 500 GB up to 1 TB. Disk drive available within the market is the solid state drive, which was recently discovered. This type of drive is mainly used for storing information and also for accessing them easily without wasting time. So most of the people who are trying to create programs and hackers use this storage device for easy access. They can also last for a long time with no external damage. Most of the solid state drive is available in a limited amount of memory right now. So if you are looking for such a device, using a 512 GB SSD will be more suitable. Going for a 1 TB drive will cost more and be able to purchase them for a price of 35,000 rupees. So if you are a student purchasing a laptop for the price of 35,000, then go for a 1 TB hard disk drive rather than a low memory solid state drive. They are mainly suitable for programmers and hackers along with animators. Graphic cards. The graphic card displays a perfect image and words depending upon the codes provided. Without the graphic card, the laptop would be a screenless device. So whatever appears on the screen of the computer or laptop, it is because of the processing of the graphic card combined with the processor. So while purchasing a laptop, make sure it has an integrated graphic card with proper memory. If you are not satisfied with the quality of the graphic card, then you can add additional cards to purchase the one design with an additional card so you can use them for graphics and animation. But they will cost extra, and for a price of 35,000, having an integrated graphic card will be more than enough. Screen resolution. The resolution of the screen, along with clarity, is more important while purchasing a laptop. Most of the laptops have an HD quality resolution. If you are purchasing a laptop for video alone, then try to purchase one with pixel levels like 1080 pixels or 720 pixels, because these laptops can provide the proper detail into the videos. There are a variety of models available in the market that concentrate on the resolution. So depending upon the requirement and budget, choose the proper laptop with good screen resolution. For a laptop within a budget of 35,000 rupees, you will have a screen resolution of 720 pixel with HD quality. The size of the screen also plays an important role. So while purchasing a laptop, make sure it has a size of 14 to 15 inches. Battery. The battery of the laptop should also be perfect and should last for long hours. So if you are planning to carry your laptop around, then purchasing a battery that can charge at a faster rate and also provide you with 10 hours of battery life will allow the laptop to have good portability. The battery should also come with a proper warranty. The keyboard should also be good quality. It should be economically placed with proper features. The keyboard should have feather touch technology, so it would be easier for you to operate. It is impossible for you to purchase a laptop with touchscreen technology at this price, so we suggest that you purchase a normal one with a proper keyboard setting. All the above explained features are some common requirements while purchasing a laptop. Understanding these features might help you decide what type of laptop you want and what are the features you require. So depending upon the concepts, decide the final product and then look for the models on Amazon or Flipkart. You can select at least 4 to 5 models with similar features and then choose the best option available in the market. You can also purchase them directly from the shop, but before purchasing, select a model and then go for it, because sometimes you might get confused with the multiple products available in a shop. Given ahead are some models and designs available in the market. Dell Inspiron 3493, 14 inches widescreen, Core i3 Intel 10th generation processor, Windows 10 and MS Word pre-installed, Platinum Silver color, 4 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD, HB245 G7, AMD. AMD Ryzen 5 processors, 14 inches widescreen, 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD, AMD Radeon Integrated Vega Graphics, DOS operating system. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i Intel Core i3. Intel i3 10th generation laptop, pre-installed Windows 10 program, platinum grey color with a weight of 1.6 kg, 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD. Avita Cosmos 14-inch laptop, 14 inches widescreen, Core i5 7th generation processor, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD for storage, integrated HD graphics, AMD pre-installed Windows 10 operating system. Asus VivoBook P1140F, Intel i3 Core 10th generation processor, DOS operating system, integrated graphics, webcam and DVD player, 4 GB RAM combined with 1 TB HDD. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share and comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to ProdHeart channel as well.